let's take a look at a time and date on my Timex Iron Man. Once it'll focus. That's right, it's Halloween 2015, and boy, I'm about to be doing something haunted. I am invited to one of the mansions, but not just any mansion. It's a mansion by none other than the Ouija. You remember this place. It's all quiet in the making. And no one must have been out there, and it's only one person. And the reason I'm doing this because this is what I call an elevator ride to the Ouija's mansion. Well, unfortunately, the door close button does not work. It's definitely on peak up. Alright, there goes the door. Let's get a cab view. It's been a long time since I filmed this elevator. 1A compliant railing. And we all know it's the Eastern elevator. 2,000-pound capacity. With Eastern buttons. One of them is modernized. AA compliant foam. Now, the Ouija's mansion, which is definitely in the Ouija's room, is at the 2nd floor. Let's let this elevator close. Okay, now, things are getting really quiet in here. Now I'm gonna go find the room. It's long out to the hallway. This is the room that the Ouija's in. Let's go find out. Once in the dark room, things get really, really creepy. As it comes to the sound of the clock. And all of a sudden, there's a click. It's my Ouija 12 HLS giving it some light source. And all it is a bed. And it seems like the power's out. And notice that he changes clothes all the time for some special events. But what's this? Could that be the Ouija? Looks like it's been in the dark all along. Hello. Welcome to my mansion. I can see there are a bunch of ghosts around there. And all it comes down all of a sudden, with some ghost trying to reach out. And now the scary part begins with yeah! Ah! No, you scared me. Get away from me, ghost. But suddenly, all the sparks was to come around, and he realized it's a special top hat. You scared me. Well, it's all on a trick. And I'm doing that for Halloween. Well, glad you mentioned. Well, you just find this other death, and from there. And I'm thinking that other things haunted, like, oh no, what's that? Oh, let's get out of here. Oh man, that was kind of scary. Well, anyway, there you have it. Let's head down to the elevator. Alright, there's the MPE right there. Let's head back down to 1. Well, no further updates, that's for sure. And that's it. Oh, and tomorrow, one last thing. You had to fall back your clocks about 1 hour. It's very important for the day, because the daylight savings time is about to end. So, with that being said, that's it.